Hi guys, please follow me. I would like to show you how to draw mushroom in the side card. And near the mushroom we have the coconut, and behind the mushroom we make the tree, and also we put some cloud and also the sun, and we color the green color and also the blue, and together with the yellow color with a bit orange on the mushroom. Please enjoy the video. And now we start the coloring. For the coconut, I just draw with the color black. After that, we draw the leaf for the green colors, like that. You can see. Because if we put the black color, it's not good. But after we apply the green colors, and then we color with the tree and the grass behind. Alright, so I hope everyone can draw it and enjoys this video very well. Please subscribe for more video and enjoy this drawing and coloring. Let's try and learn together step by step with me.